Today, we delve into the essence of modern living, exploring the intricate balance between functionality, elegance, and sustainability showcased in each architectural masterpiece. Hello, welcome to Breaking Sign, where we bring you the latest in architecture innovation. In this video, we embark on a mesmerizing journey through the intricate tapestry of modern living, where every line, every curve, and every space tells a story of creativity and ingenuity. Join us as we unravel the secrets behind architectural beauty and delve deep into the soul of each design, discovering the essence of elegance, functionality, and sustainability woven into every structure. Elegant frame house design. When it comes to architectural elegance, frame house design stands out as a timeless and visually striking choice. The term elegant frame house design evokes a sense of sophistication and refinement, suggesting that the architectural style of the house is both visually appealing and noteworthy. Frame houses are known for their sleek and streamlined appearance, characterized by clean lines, geometric shapes, and well-defined structural elements. These architectural features contribute to the overall elegance of the design, creating a sense of balance and harmony in the exterior aesthetic. One of the key elements that sets frame house design apart is its emphasis on simplicity and minimalism. Unlike more ornate architectural styles, frame houses often prioritize clean and uncluttered spaces, allowing the structural framework of the house to take center stage. This minimalist approach to design creates a sense of openness and spaciousness, enhancing the overall elegance of the interior and exterior spaces. Another hallmark of frame house design is its versatility and adaptability. Whether it's a traditional farmhouse, a modernist retreat, or a cozy cottage, frame houses can be tailored to suit a variety of architectural preferences and design aesthetics. From sleek glass facades to charming gable roofs, frame houses offer endless possibilities for customization, allowing homeowners to express their unique sense of style and personality. Small modern house living room. The interior in modern houses epitomize the marriage of style and functionality within limited square footage. Despite their modest size, these living spaces exude a sense of modernity and sophistication, showcasing clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and a streamlined design aesthetic. One of the defining characteristics of interior modern house living room is their efficient use of space. Every square inch is thoughtfully utilized to maximize functionality and create a sense of openness. From multifunctional furniture pieces to clever storage solutions, these living rooms are designed to meet the needs of modern urban dwellers without compromising on style. In addition to their practicality, interior modern house living room also prioritize aesthetics. Neutral color palettes, such as shades of white, gray, and beige, dominate the space, creating a sense of airiness and tranquility. This minimalist approach to color allows architectural elements and carefully curated decor to take center stage, adding visual interest and depth to the room. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the ambience of interior modern house living room. Strategically placed windows, skylights, and light fixtures are used to maximize natural light and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. This emphasis on natural light not only brightens up the space but also blurs the boundaries between indoors and outdoors, connecting occupants with the surrounding environment. Dining room delights. The aesthetic appeal of dining rooms in modern homes is further enhanced by their minimalist design approach and curated decor. Neutral color palettes, sleek furniture pieces, and subtle accents create a serene and inviting atmosphere that complements a wide range of architectural styles and design sensibilities. Dining room in modern homes serve as focal points that epitomize the essence of modern living. They often feature sleek architectural elements that seamlessly integrate with the overall design aesthetic of the house. From expansive windows that flood the space with natural light to open floor plans that facilitate fluid movement, these dining rooms are designed to evoke a sense of openness and connectivity. One of the defining characteristics of dining room in modern homes is their emphasis on indoor-outdoor living. Through the strategic placement of windows, sliding glass doors, and outdoor dining areas, these spaces blur the boundaries between the interior and exterior, allowing residents to enjoy alfresco dining experiences while basking in the comfort of their own home. In addition to their architectural charm, dining room in modern homes also prioritize functionality and versatility. They are often designed to accommodate various dining preferences and occasions, whether it's casual family meals, formal dinner parties, or intimate gatherings with friends. Flexible seating arrangements, extendable dining tables, and integrated storage solutions are commonly employed to enhance the functionality of these spaces. Kitchen design maximizing efficiency. Modern kitchen design in small houses revolves around the concept of efficiency, where every element is strategically positioned to serve a specific purpose and maximize usability. From clever storage solutions to space-saving appliances, these kitchens are meticulously planned to accommodate the needs of modern living while maintaining a sense of style and sophistication. One of the key strategies used in maximizing efficiency is the utilization of multifunctional features and fixtures. For example, kitchen islands often double as dining tables or workstations, providing additional storage space and serving as a focal point for social gatherings. Similarly, built-in appliances and custom cabinetry help minimize clutter and optimize workflow, creating a seamless cooking experience. In addition to functionality, modern kitchen design also prioritizes aesthetics and comfort. Sleek finishes, minimalist decor, and ergonomic layouts contribute to a sense of harmony and balance within the space, enhancing both visual appeal and usability. Natural light plays a crucial role in illuminating the kitchen, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere that inspires creativity and relaxation. Furthermore, modern kitchen design is characterized by its integration of smart technology and sustainable practices. Energy-efficient appliances, water-saving fixtures, and smart home automation systems help reduce environmental impact while enhancing convenience and productivity. These innovations not only contribute to a greener lifestyle but also add a touch of modernity to the kitchen space. Natural bedroom design. One of the hallmarks of natural bedroom design is the use of organic materials such as wood, stone, and bamboo. These materials not only add warmth and texture to the space but also create a sense of grounding and connection to the earth. Furniture crafted from reclaimed wood or sustainable sources further reinforces the eco-friendly ethos of the design. Natural bedroom design embodies the philosophy of biophilic design, which seeks to incorporate natural elements into the built environment to enhance the well-being of occupants. From the choice of materials to the layout and decor, Every aspect of the bedroom is carefully curated to evoke the serenity of the outdoors. In addition to materials, natural bedroom design often incorporates elements inspired by the natural world. Biophilic elements such as potted plants, natural fibers, and water features bring a sense of the outdoors inside, creating a soothing and rejuvenating atmosphere. These elements not only enhance visual appeal but also improve air quality and reduce stress levels. Furthermore, natural bedroom design extends beyond the interior space to encompass outdoor living areas and landscaping. A bedroom with access to a private garden or balcony provides opportunities for relaxation and contemplation amidst nature. Thoughtfully designed landscaping with native plants and wildlife-friendly features enhances biodiversity and fosters a deeper connection to the natural world. Eco-friendly bathroom design. Another aspect of eco-friendly bathroom design is waste reduction. This may involve incorporating recycling bins and composting systems into the design, as well as choosing products with minimal packaging and long-lasting durability. By reducing waste generation and promoting recycling, eco-friendly bathrooms contribute to a more circular economy. Eco-friendly bathroom design encompasses a range of strategies and technologies aimed at reducing resource consumption and waste generation. One of the key aspects of eco-friendly design is energy efficiency. This may involve the use of energy-efficient lighting fixtures, such as LED bulbs, and the integration of smart technologies that allow for better control and optimization of energy usage. In addition to energy efficiency, water conservation is a central focus of eco-friendly bathroom design. Low-flow fixtures, such as toilets, faucets, and shower heads, help minimize water consumption without sacrificing performance. Innovative technologies, such as dual-flush toilets and aerated faucets, further enhance water efficiency by delivering a satisfying user experience while conserving water. Furthermore, eco-friendly bathroom design extends to the selection of materials and finishes. Sustainable materials, such as bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled glass, are preferred choices for flooring, cabinetry, and countertops. These materials not only reduce environmental impact but also add a touch of natural beauty to the space. Modern interior furniture. Another key aspect of modern interior furniture design is its emphasis on quality craftsmanship and materials. High-quality materials such as solid wood, steel, and leather are preferred choices for modern furniture, ensuring longevity and durability. Attention to detail and precision in construction are also hallmarks of modern furniture design, resulting in furniture pieces that are not only stylish but also built to last. Modern interior furniture design is characterized by clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and a focus on functionality. The emphasis is on creating a sense of openness and spaciousness, with furniture pieces that are sleek, streamlined, and visually unobtrusive. This design approach allows for better flow and movement within the space, enhancing the overall comfort and livability of the home. One of the hallmarks of modern interior furniture is its versatility and adaptability. Many modern furniture pieces are designed with multifunctionality in mind, serving multiple purposes to maximize space efficiency. For example, a sofa may double as a pull-out bed for overnight guests, or a coffee table may feature built-in storage compartments for added convenience. In addition to functionality, modern interior furniture also prioritizes comfort and ergonomics. While the aesthetic is often minimalist, comfort is not compromised. Furniture pieces are designed with ergonomics in mind, providing ample support and cushioning for prolonged use. Materials such as leather, fabric, and wood are commonly used to enhance comfort and durability. Seamless indoor-outdoor integration. One of the key features of seamless indoor-outdoor integration is the use of large windows, sliding glass doors, and other transparent barriers that allow natural light to flood into the interior spaces. This not only creates a bright and airy atmosphere but also blurs the distinction between indoor and outdoor environments, making the transition between the two seamless and fluid. In addition to natural light, seamless integration often involves the use of consistent materials and design elements throughout both indoor and outdoor spaces. This creates a sense of continuity and flow, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of the property. Common materials used in seamless integration include natural stone, wood, and glass, which help to create a cohesive and harmonious design palette. Furthermore, seamless indoor-outdoor integration extends beyond the physical layout of the home to include outdoor amenities and features such as patios, decks, and gardens. These outdoor spaces are carefully designed to complement the interior of the home, providing residents with additional areas for relaxation, entertainment, and socializing. Seamless indoor-outdoor integration is more than just a design trend, it's a lifestyle choice that celebrates the beauty of nature and promotes a sense of openness and freedom. By seamlessly connecting indoor and outdoor spaces, homeowners can enjoy the best of both worlds, experiencing the tranquility of nature while still enjoying the comforts of modern living. Refreshing courtyard patio. At the heart of a refreshing courtyard patio is the presence of a pool in the backyard. The pool serves as the centerpiece of the outdoor space, offering a serene and inviting oasis for relaxation and recreation. Whether it's a refreshing swim on a hot summer day or a leisurely soak under the stars, the pool provides a sense of luxury and tranquility that elevates the outdoor living experience. In addition to the pool, a refreshing courtyard patio may include other amenities and features designed to enhance comfort and enjoyment. This could include comfortable seating areas for lounging and socializing, outdoor dining areas for al fresco meals, and lush landscaping to create a serene and inviting atmosphere. One of the key benefits of a refreshing courtyard patio is its ability to extend the living space of the home outdoors. By blurring the boundaries between indoor and outdoor living areas, homeowners can maximize their usable space and enjoy the beauty of nature without ever leaving the comfort of their home. Moreover, a refreshing courtyard patio provides homeowners with a private retreat where they can relax and unwind away from the prying eyes of neighbors or passers-by. It offers a sense of seclusion and intimacy that is hard to find in public spaces, allowing homeowners to fully immerse themselves in the tranquility of their surroundings. Crafting your outdoor furniture. Crafting your outdoor furniture is more than just selecting pieces to fill your backyard space. It's about creating a personalized retreat where you can relax, unwind, and connect with nature. Your backyard pool serves as the focal point of your outdoor oasis, offering a refreshing escape from the stresses of everyday life. To complement this centerpiece, it's essential to carefully select outdoor furniture that not only enhances the aesthetics of the space but also provides comfort and functionality. When crafting your outdoor furniture ensemble, consider the overall design aesthetic you want to achieve. Whether you prefer a contemporary, minimalist look or a more rustic, natural feel, there are outdoor furniture options available to suit every style and preference. In addition to style, prioritize comfort when choosing outdoor furniture. Look for cushioned seating options with weather-resistant fabrics that can withstand exposure to the elements while providing a cozy place to lounge and relax by the pool. Durability is another crucial factor to consider when selecting outdoor furniture. Opt for materials such as teak, aluminum, or all-weather wicker that are resistant to moisture, fading, and rust, ensuring your furniture remains in pristine condition for years to come. Conclusion. In every corner of the architectural landscape, we find stories waiting to be told and spaces waiting to be transformed. From the serenity of Scandinavian interiors to the eco-friendly elegance of sustainable living, each design embodies a unique narrative, inviting us to become part of its journey. As we continue to explore the realms of architectural innovation, let us remember that the true essence of design lies not only in its aesthetic appeal but also in its ability to enrich lives and inspire change. Together, let's break new ground and redefine the boundaries of design excellence. Well, thanks for joining us today on Breaking Sign. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more exciting architecture insights. Until next time, keep creative idea running.